Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a smooth slow-mo video in CapCut. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just click on the one that we want to edit. Now we move to the video that we want to set the speed of in the timeline. Then we click on speed, and here we click on normal, and here we have smooth slow-mo. We click on this, and we can select better quality, and like this, set the speed of the final video. Click on OK, and after this process is finished, we will be able to see this video in smooth slow motion. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.